Mr. Raj Nayak. So you've been launching a lot of shows lately. So is there any particular content strategy for that?
I'm paid to launch shows.
So no strategy as of now that you're following?
Obviously, we are following a strategy. Otherwise, we won't be running a channel. I won't be in the job.
You think if he gives his strategy away, won't other people come to know about it? It won't be beneficial.
But the fact is, these are some shows like whether it's Bigg Boss, Khatron Ke Khiladi, India's Got Talent, Jal Dikhla Ja. These are shows that we've been doing year on year. It's not that we are doing it first time. This time probably our scheduling has taken a little bit of, we've tweaked it a bit to come a little earlier. And it also was to do with Arjun. Let me tell you, we were very keen, we wanted Arjun. And I must thank him. I have not done this before, but I must thank you. He postponed his shoot of his movie for us. You know, for us, it's a big thing. And we went back and forth for almost a month trying to adjust his dates, but finally he did it. And so these were some of the things that were there. But for us, it's a question of our calendar, our schedule, our FPC, what fits in at what time.
My question is to Mr. Raj Nayak. Okay. You're getting all the big players, auto giants as sponsors on board. First Maruti Suzuki and now Tata Motors. So what's your bait to catch all the biggies?
I have no bait. Okay. I go with the, what do you say, Katora saying, जो सबसे ज़्यादा पैसा देता है, उसको वो sponsor बनता है. And they all come back to us because we give value for money. One of the things of Colors is every sponsor who comes on Colors once doesn't leave us. And that's the beauty about the channel.
And every actor that comes on Colors also does not leave us.
Deepak sir, here. After doing the last 2 seasons in South Africa, why have you decided this time to go for Argentina?
वो मेरे नाम से rhyme करता है ना.
And South Africa. Of course, we had done last few seasons in Cape Town and Joburg. So obviously, it was automatic that we had to go to a
He's lying. It's because Arjun and Tina are there.
That's it. It's a great peg. यार कहानी खत्म हो गई, पिक्चर अभी भी चल रही है यार. तू क्या करेगी अर्जेंटीना में मेरे साथ, मुझे सच में नहीं पता.
Hello, my question.
Hello, who's speaking? नहीं, शादी से डर नहीं लगता. इस वक्त बहुत यंग हूँ, वैसे भी छोकरा भी जवान है, शादी के लिए तैयार नहीं है. नहीं, यार एक जवाब आया था, इन्होंने भूलवा दिया, सॉरी. एक से जाके एक्चुअली डिस्कवर करूंगा. मैं यही कहना चाहता था. वन ऑफ द रीजंस व्हाई आई चोज द शो आल्सो, इफ आई हैव अ फियर, आई एम नॉट वेरी अवेयर ऑफ इट. And I'm talking about where the stunts are concerned, where maybe height is concerned, where creepy crawlies are concerned, where just everything is concerned. As an actor, when you do it for film stunts, you're very protected. It's only one shot at a time, or it's designed specifically for the requirement of the film. These are very, very difficult stunts, which are 3-tiered, 4-tiered in that sense. You have a lot of layers to cross. So I will also discover while I'm there which what bit I'm truly scared of, and I'll come back and give you a genuine answer about it.
Thank you.
Arjun, अभी सोनम ने हमसे बात की थी और कहा था कि एज अ ब्रदर ही इज वेरी प्रोटेक्टिव और हम मेरे लिए, अंशुला के लिए, एंड्रिया के लिए. लेकिन जैसे इस फिल्म में आप कंटेस्टेंट हैं जितने, वो भी आपके साथ रहेंगे, तो जो शो का फॉर्मेट है वो बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है. आपको उनके साथ नहीं रहना है, तो आपका बिहेवियर उनके लिए कैसा रहेगा? प्रोटेक्टिव रहेगा या फिर?
I would like to believe साथ रहने का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि एक कमरे में हम सब साथ ही होंगे. मैं ये दुआ करता हूँ that we are all together and we have fun here. Like I said, कोई ऐसा प्लान नहीं है. It's my behavior is going to be how I was today on stage here. मैं ऐसा ही हूँ. मैं कोई I think television, when you're hosting something, आप acting नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि अगर वो नकली होगा वो खुल के बाहर आ जाएगा 2 एपिसोड 3 एपिसोड में, and the show will not work. So I'm going to be myself. I'm sure we'll have fun. I'm sure there'll be ups and downs. I'm sure there'll be situations where I'll have to maybe be strict about certain things. Maybe I'll have to pursue them and tell them you can do it. I'll have to motivate. Of course, I'll be protective. I don't want anybody getting injured. I don't want them, if they're scared or something, I'm going to make sure that I give them that calmness that you can do this. But above and beyond that, I think you don't have to be staying together or being together. We are all together in this. And I hope to come back and be able to tell you what the strategy was once I'm there. मेरे लिए बहुत नया है यार. You know, all of them have actually been in this situation to a great degree. They worked on television A. Some of them have been on other reality shows. We have winners of reality shows. They have experienced this very, very closely. The emotion, ups and downs. Being an actor on film is very different, and I'm actually looking forward to learn a lot being on television. I'm very humbled by the fact that they've chosen me for this medium. It's a very big medium for me, and I'm very excited. So it's not about कि मैं ऐसा हूँ और मैं ऐसे करूँगा वैसे करूँगा. देखेंगे वहाँ पे जाएंगे. We'll see. We'll play it by ear like I always say.
One last question.
अर्जुन, ये जानना चाहेंगे कि आपकी एक्शन इमेज क्या इससे और स्ट्रांग होगी? आपने कहा मैंने फिल्मों में जो नहीं कर पाया इधर 10-15 साल में नहीं करूंगा, उसे एक शो में
नहीं, मैंने ये नहीं कहा कि 10-15 साल में नहीं करूंगा.
मतलब
शायद इतना सब कुछ एक साथ नहीं कर पाऊंगा. मेरा वो मतलब था.
तो एंग्री यंग मैन की इमेज आपकी क्या बहुत स्ट्रांग होगी इससे?
यार वो इमेज आप लोगों ने बनाई है. आप बढ़ा भी सकते हो, आप उसे गिरा भी सकते हो. It's not in my hands. When you do films, you don't do it for imagery. At least young actors, I know for a fact, we are bound by, we try and do it for the material. मैंने कभी प्लान नहीं किया था कि मेरी इमेज एक्शन वाली होगी. सच बात ये कहूँ, मैं बोल के थक गया हूँ. अगर आप इशकजादे देखे, मैंने सिर्फ मार खाई है पिक्चर में, किसी को नहीं मारा है. पर वो पहली पिक्चर से बिकॉज बंदूक पकड़ के रोमांस हो रहा था, सबको लगता है मेरी एक्शन वाली इमेज है, क्योंकि दाढ़ी उगा के पहुंच गया था मैं शूटिंग पे. मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था ये इमेजरी होगी, और ये कभी मैनिपुलेट नहीं कर सकता आप लोगों के साथ कि मेरी ये इमेज बने ताकि मैं करूं. मुझे मजा आया ये सोच के कि मैं वहां जाके आई कैन डिस्कवर थिंग्स अबाउट माई सेल्फ, आई कैन इंटरैक्ट विद न्यू पीपल. इट्स अ न्यू मीडियम. मेरे लिए इट्स लाइक डूइंग माई डेब्यू अगेन. आई एम एज एक्साइटेड एज अ चाइल्ड इन अ कैंडी स्टोर. ऑनेस्टली दैट्स ऑल आई एम थिंकिंग अबाउट. माई एक्साइटमेंट टुवर्ड्स गेटिंग टू गो टू अ प्लेस लाइक अर्जेंटीना. कितने लोगों को मौका मिलेगा? पूरी जिंदगी बीत जाती है टू बी एबल टू ट्रैवल टू प्लेस लाइक दैट एंड फॉर वर्क दैट टू. So I'm just excited about that. The imagery part, वो आप सब फैसला ले लेना जब आप शो देखोगे यार. वो आपके हाथों में, सच में.
Thank you all for being here, and thank you so much, Raj. Thank you, Arjun. You've been a fantastic host already.